Rehane, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful pinwheel hair tie. This is so easy and very useful. You can make it in different color and enjoy them. So before I learn to you, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you. For this tutorial we need cotton yarn like this, a needle, a pair of scissors, a hook. The number of hook is 30 mm. A pearls, it must be have a big hole because of this yarn, and a hair tie. So let's go to see how to crochet the pinwheel hair tie step by step. For first step we need to make a magic ring like this. And then put your hook under this part and above this part and yarn over. Now we have a magic ring, and then make 4 single crochet into this magic ring. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then in the 4th stitch, 1, 2, 3 and 4, make a slip stitch until you have a first round. Here make a slip stitch like this. Then make 1 chain, and under this chain we need 2 single crochet. In the next stitch we need 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. So in each stitch we need 2 single crochet until again we arrive here. Now I have 8 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In this part we need a slip stitch here, and then again 1 chain and make 2 single crochet under this chain. So 1 and 2. Then in the next stitch again we need 2 single crochet. Now I finish this round. Then again we need just 1 chain and then turn this, and in the first stitch we need 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. In next stitch we need just 1 double crochet, and again in next stitch we need just 1 double crochet, and in last stitch we need 2 double crochet. So 1 and 2. As you can see, we increase in the first and in the last of this part. So again make 1 chain. In first part we need 2 single crochet. Then in each part, in each stitch we need just 1 single crochet except this stitch. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 single crochet in each stitch. Then in last stitch we need 2 single crochet. So 1 and 2. Again 1 chain. In first stitch we need to increase, so make 2 single crochet. Then in next stitches we need just 1 So I do it. Then I arrive here in last stitch. Here again we need increase, so we need 2 single crochet. So 1 and 2. Continuous. This shape, this part, I mean make increase in first line and in this end of this line. Then you have 16 single crochet in this line. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You must continuous until you have 16 single crochet. So do it. Now I finished this round. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 single crochet. Then I arrive here and I need to arrive here, so I make a slip stitch. If you want to make a slip stitch, you just make it in this hole here, 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 not this part, okay? I do it and you can see 1 single crochet, again here, 2, a slip stitch, here again 3 slip stitch, 4 slip stitch, 5 slip stitch, and 6 slip stitch. Now I arrive here. So in this stitch again we need to slip stitch to arrive here again, and then make just 1 chain, and again here in the next stitch we need 2 single crochet. So 1 and 2. Again in next stitch we need 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Then make 1 chain, and then here we need 2 single crochet because we want to increase. Then just 1 single crochet in each stitch without the last stitch. Here we need to increase, so we need 2 single crochet. So 1 and again here 2. Again 1 chain and make increase in the first stitch and in the last or in the end stitch until you arrive 16 single crochet like this. So make it here and then in between 2 stitch and between 2 stitch until you have 4 of this shape. Continuous. Now I finish this 4 shape as you can see, and then I make a slip stitch, 6 slip stitch here. And again in the last chain we need a slip stitch and just 1 chain, then cut yarn, but you need the extra yarn, and then use a needle like this. Then in this part we have a slip stitch as you can see, but here we don't have any slip stitch, so you must put this part in the center of pinwheel like this. Here we have again a slip stitch here and here. You must put it together, but now your yarn here, so put this part and put your needle in the first chain exactly here like this, and then again in this part we have a slip stitch, so put your needle here in in the first slip stitch. Again, here we have a slip stitch. Put your needle in the first stitch, and then this part, put your needle, and again here again must be put the needle, now we need the pearls, but my needle is big, so I put the yarn into the needle first, like this, then put the needle, put the yarn into the needle. In center of pinwheel, you must sew the pearls. Now here, in the back of the pinwheel, you must put the hair tie in center of pinwheel, exactly here. Put your needle, and again and repeat again. Now I think it is enough, so make a knot between this stitch again, make a knot here between this stitch and try to hide the extra yarn between this stitch, do like me. Now it is enough, and then cut the extra yarn. So as you can see, we have a pinwheel. You can make it in different color and different yarn. It is your choice. I make it in 2 color. I like this color. So please like my channel and subscribe my video. And if you have any question, you can put your question in the comment part. Thank you for watching my video.